Morning! We are on day 6 today and we've just woken up and we're going to have some breakfast. We're actually travelling to Chaing Mai to do their homestay. Last night you may have seen, we rode in a ute on the way home, had a few drinks with the group and then we had a few more drinks at our hotel. So
a bit dusty this morning.
We're a bit tired. So it'll probably be a pretty boring day to begin with, but we'll see how it goes.
Then grill it. Yes. And after that, it's become the dessert. Let's try. They have a three flavor: taro, black pea, and coconut. Okay. Banana leaves. That is they put.
This is the taro one, which is like a yam. Apparently.
That's the yam.
It's very sweet.
That's like a rusty pudding.
Try and get
thing.
the base. It's like,
So this is the coconut one. Oh, that's yum. It's just like coconut sticky rice.
That's what it is.
I'm not sure.
We'll stop to try some Khao Lak,
So instead of
sticky
using
rice in a banana leaf, and then they put it in a piece of bamboo, and then they cook it.
Yes.
And then they have to smash open the bamboo to get to it.
You can imagine.
We have been travelling for a few hours and we just stopped for lunch at this nice little place. I think it's called Khao Lak in Love. So it's quite a nice little place. We'll have lunch here and then we'll continue on to Chaing Mai. Oh, Khao Lak Kitchen at Lang Pang.
Take care us from now until tomorrow lunchtime.
Yes.
Okay, welcome home. Miss Ois.
Miss Oi.
Oi.
Oi. Oi, oi, oi! Yeah.
Oi is
Miss
Oi.
Oi.
Cane, sweet lady.
We arrived at, actually we don't even know what the little village is we're at, but it's for just outside Chaing Mai and we're at the homestay. A little bit noisy, hold a minute. So at the homestay, so that should be awesome, really good experience, and we're just going for a walk around the little village to see what there is. Take a photo.
Air on the side of.
Okay. When you pound, the first one, every on table over there we have mortar. You use about 1/3 salt. We making น้ำพริกอ่อง
How's it going?
On fire. I feel like I'm in a work day.
You're in a work day?
We've been pressed into service.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow.